What's going on, guys and gals? Stock Jock here, up $351 today on three trades. Trades today have been kind of slow in the afternoon, it was slow in the morning. My first trade that I wanted to take was HMNY short. HMNY, every time there's a pop, eh, I mean, every single time there's a pop, it's met with almost a complete 100% sell-off, either that day or the days following. So I did not trust this news. I mean, look at these pops, right? Pop, complete sell-off. Pop, complete sell-off. Pop, complete sell-off. Every single time, pop, complete sell-off. Every time there's a pop on this stock, it's going to sell off. I don't care what the news is. There's been good news, there's been decent news, there's been great news. It doesn't matter. It always sells off. So today was no different. I wanted to short this out of the gate. I couldn't get any shares on E-Trade, but the idea was correct. Got this. You had a couple setups, right? So popped up pre-market on some news, and then right before the bell starts coming in, and it almost already completely sold off. You know, there was only what 30 cents on the table from pre-market, 40 cents on the table. So anyway, 9:30 comes around, gets the pop up, sells off, and it would have been a good short. Down, it's down by $3 now, so it would have been a good short out of the gates, just based off of what the stock does in the past. But I couldn't get any shares, so I didn't trade that one. My first trade, this one was Dries. Dries has been having a trend of popping up early in the morning and then kind of selling off as it goes into the later part of the day. But I thought Dries would start breaking down a little bit sooner. I went short right here. So we had this move up, move up, move up, and then we had a higher low, or a lower high, excuse me. So that was kind of telling me now, okay, we had this. Oh, I just completely screwed that up. Let's back that off. So with Dries, what I was looking at is you had this kind of move where it was making higher highs. Every time it popped up, it would come down, pop up higher, come down, pop up higher until right here. So it came back down and popped up to here, and now we're making a lower high. So now the trend is now this. So I was playing that, and I went short right here, um, right inside here at 366, and I would have put my stop at a break of 370, just keeping it really tight. Because I'm right here. I don't have confirmation that this is. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be the enemy. I swear. I don't have confirmation yet that my theory is correct. I think this is what's going to happen, but there's no complete conversation. I see this right now. I don't see any of this. This is 9:46. I go short there, and then I hear that earnings is tomorrow, which changes everything. I don't, you know, that tells me that people are probably going to buy this going into earnings. People are going to buy it thinking, oh, they're going to blow out earnings, whatever. They're buying now because they think earnings would be great. So I got out. Uh, Made $2 on the trade, and as soon as I got out, it got the flush that I was kind of looking for. So the idea was right, and I just didn't hold it because I found out earnings is tomorrow, and I just didn't want to be around when the run up start. And it's starting to go now. It's starting to build, right as we going high day as we speak. So didn't want to be in that trade because it's just going to trade differently than a technical play. So made $2 on that trade. My next trade was Lulu. This one at 10:50 or 9:51, you can kind of see right here. My news source tells me that Lulu is unconfirmed chatter that they've hired a bank to sell the company. $90 price target. All right, so the first thing I do is I look at the daily chart. Where is the current price? Is it at the top of the range or is it at the bottom of the range? Well, currently it's at the top of the range, recently. Or mid if you want to go back even further. It's certainly not at 52-week lows, right? So that means the news is going to be more believable to other people. So I go long on that news. I got in at 59.02. You can see the volume coming in right here. I really wanted to hold this, but it started spiking up, and I sold right inside here, and I was trying to get filled in the 30s, like high 30s, but it just when I hit the sell button, it came the bid dropped really quick on me, so I got filled at 59.25 for like a 23-cent win, $230, and I was hoping to get filled back down here because I thought we'd get a buck out of it. I really did, and it ended up just just, crushing it today, and that would have been a really nice win for me if I held that long. But I couldn't get back in at a decent price, and I was just happy with the win. My next trade was also a news play, CYH. See the volume coming in, just doing nothing, and then boom, it drops. Well, the news was that it is rumored to be going bankrupt. Another hedge fund puts out this note on it. When I hear that, I go short at $7 right through here as we're dropping, and it drops down, and I cover inside of this candle here at 685. So that was $150, and that's all the trades I have so far today. Again, nothing out of the gates. I haven't been trading out of the gates recently because it's been so unpredictable in this market. Most gap ups just sell off, and it's just really wild, very unpredictable. So I've been waiting to the later parts of the day to make my trades. They're safer, less risk, and that's what it's about. So up 351. I want to invite you all again to our Discord chat. Kind of people taking lunch right now, but this is usually filled up. I'm on microphone during the morning, actually all day usually, calling out what I see, helping people if you have questions. Other people are calling out what they see. Usually have a lot more people online, but again, it's lunchtime, so everyone's kind of taking a break. So I'm here to help. This room is open to help new traders. If you're losing money, please come in here and ask questions. I'm here to help. I mean, seriously, it's not something. We're here to help people make money. I hate watching people lose money. So please, please, the link for the Discord chat is in the description below. Also, I subscribe to multiple chat rooms and news sources. If you're interested in any of those, they're great educational tools at the very minimum, and they're decently and fairly priced. If you're interested in those as well, please ask. Those are also in the description of this video. That is all for now. I will see you all in the next video.